So welcome back to Cricket Analysis, guys. Yesterday was a double header and double entertainment match between Punjab and DC, and the other was the RCB versus KKR. So let's get into it. Rahul, have you thought 204 was will be made on Chepauk?
No, it's not
I think
obvious because
uh,
no one expected and no one batted really well. If you consider all the four teams who played there, even RCB didn't got above 150 or 160.
yeah, I think RCB is made for making highest totals,
Hmm.
and RCB has won all the matches at the Chepauk.
Yeah, and also the only team to have no losses until now.
Yeah, and before this, they haven't won at Chepauk, I guess, while playing against Chennai Super Kings. And this time they are winning. They have won 3 matches already, and
Yeah, this time most of the teams are happy that they are not playing there at their home grounds,
yeah,
especially RCB, Delhi, Chennai.
absolutely. And well, coming to Kolkata Knight Riders, Varun Chakravarti was best at the first over. While he bowled his first over, he picked 2 wickets, and again he hasn't given bowling. I think it, again he should have bowled. I guess. What you thought on this, Rahul? Other
Yeah, the
than
same
giving
question
him,
asked
they gave
to
Shakib.
Yeah, the same question asked to Morgan. What he said is like there is not only one superstar in Bangalore. There are some others also. Like ABD is coming at the end, so they need to have 2 hours of Arun Chakravarti to ABD. So that's why they didn't use it.
But even Russell has shown his power a little at the last while hitting the Chahal for almost a couple of runs. I think. Have you seen
Yeah,
the 19th over was also absolutely fantastic from Siraj.
no, I missed the first innings. Some part of
Yeah,
first innings.
he almost dotted the over.
Yeah, but at the end they have so much to do. So I think that's why they are unable to finish. They are
Yeah,
unable to cross the end line.
overall it was a fantastic game between RCB and KKR. And any flaws you have seen between in KKR team, Rahul?
Yeah, if you look at the like everyone, one should be there. What everyone is saying from the first match itself in Chepauk, one should be anchor the innings from starting to the end. If you
Yeah,
look at that innings, like everyone started hitting. Even though it's highest score, one should be there. I think so. One should rotate the strike and one should have stay.
absolutely. And Narayan would be more effective, I guess, as this. He's an excellent spin bowler, but Shakib is not that to the par as he's delivering only 26 runs from 25 balls and not
Yeah,
taking that many wickets.
yeah,
They are also having some little flaws. They need to rectify it. So this
yeah.
was
Even RCB, if they perform well at the next leg, I think next leg is Mumbai. I think so.
oh,
They need to completely change their batting system. I mean, like that's why I think today they went for so much runs. I think so. Get
yeah,
practice. I think so.
and even they have played only with 3 foreigners.
Yeah, that's
I
very
think
shocking because RCB used to play
yeah,
4 corners and that too it will not be enough for them in the past years.
and even they are not having that much Indian strength in this team. Even though they have managed to play with only three, it's surprising.
Yeah,
And
the good thing
yeah,
for
yeah,
RCB is like the the top three in the top three batsmen who are in great form, ABD and Maxwell.
yeah,
Once Virat comes to the party, I think it will be unstoppable.
yeah. You cannot imagine that trio.
Yeah,
And so this was the match number 10 summary between RCB and KKR. So now let's see the match number 11 between DC and PBKS. It's an another thriller, I must say. How Mayank Agarwal have batted after that many failures, I think it's surprising.
yeah. He changed his stance. It's in what I heard in commentary. Like he batted really well, very aggressive cricket. But unfortunately, they didn't got the score what they expected. If you look at the first 10 hours, how they batted and what they
Yeah.
scored.
As it's an Bankhade pitch, it's totally different from Chennai. Like in Chennai, chasing becomes difficult while the overs passing, and here's while the over passing, batsman it becomes easy for the batting.
Yeah, but I think the number for Nicholas Purana has to bat somewhat. I think so. He's not been in that much scores in the
Yeah,
last 3 matches. They should try David Malone or someone else.
I think they should try David Malan only. But will he play as he used to play one down? But will they playing Gale at one down or Malan at one down? If they play both Malan and Gale, where the both will be playing?
Yeah, that will be a problem. But I think again, Gale is not that much in prime form if you compare him into the last season.
Yeah,
So if you look, excluding Rahul and Mayank in the last season, similar to this, in this year, Huda and Shah Rukh Khan are performing a little bit. So they need to try something else. How to fix that number 3, number 4 conundrum.
and even Dhawan was in red hot form, 92. He almost missed his another century, I think.
Yeah, he's also a knack of missing his centuries.
Yeah. So overall, good performance from Delhi Capitals, I guess.
Yeah,
Even yesterday they have again played for a new bowler, Meriwala. It's quite surprising they are not utilizing the services of Ishan Sharma, Umesh Yadav. I don't know why they are giving chances to youngsters.
yeah. Maybe there may be a tactical change because of left arm angle he'll provide to Rahul and
Yeah,
Mayank Agarwal.
might be.
And
And
yesterday, Shami was also hit for so much runs. He is not in his form yesterday.
yeah,
He leaked so many runs in 17th or something, 17th or 16th over, I think. Otherwise, they could have gone to 90th over, 20th over, I think, so Delhi Capitals. If that Shami's over is good.
yeah, absolutely. There are, I think we have to see from here, Punjab moves to Chennai, right?
Yeah, Chennai.
And their next match is with SRH.
SRH.
Yeah. So, any other things to add to this match, Rahul?
Yeah, nothing. Even Punjab is looking to similar like SRH. They won one game at the last ball, I think so. But they also have same problems what SRH have. But contrast to that SRH, they have problems in bowling. SRH have problems in batting, I think.
Yeah, and especially in the middle order.
Yeah.
Okay, now we'll see the points table, how the teams are standing. So, RCB is at the top and continuously winning 3 matches with a net run rate of positive 7.5 is an
Yeah, it's a very good run rate to
yeah,
target
absolutely.
points.
I think they are in red hot form. We'll see how this goes for RCB this year. 2021 is their year or another year, and SRH is at the bottom. So the next match between 12 match number 12 is CSK and RR. So what are the stats, Rahul, for this match?
Yeah, both played 26 matches. Out of those, CSK won 14 and Rajasthan Royals won 12.
So CSK is ahead of RR.
Yeah, and also to be noted, both teams are coming off win against in Mumbai
Yeah,
against other different teams. But RR will be have somewhat more
yeah, but
energy in the team because of the last over win in the last match for them.
yeah, Morris was in
Even Chennai also got from a one-sided win.
yeah,
So
they have
both teams.
dominated in that match. So will there
Yeah,
be any changes in the playing 11 of CSK?
I don't know what Dhoni will do, but I want some change. I want Robin Uthappa or someone like Pujara in place of Putraj like, but
I think they need to
they can
change.
give them a chance because if you look at the batting in
Well,
2 matches. We can't decide in 2 matches, but to be frank, he's also not that much good fielder. If you think, if you see in the last matches, I think he dropped 2 or 3 catches.
and even Ambati Rayudu is not in that good touch, I think.
Yeah, I mean, but they will continue with him because on his day he can aggressively take the match against others. He can change the match in 2 to 3 overs.
Yeah. So will there be any changes for Sanju's team, RR?
No, I think they will continue with the winning combination.
Yeah, even David Miller was in good touch after 64 runs from that. And Chris Morris and
Maybe they might have a change in bowling combination if they want because they are coming with the 3 left-arm bowlers.
yeah, I think
Yeah,
they will play Andrew Ty, I guess.
yeah, it might be possible.
So quick predictions, Rahul. Who will be the
No predictions. I will
why?
not predict anything.
Okay, okay, okay. So we'll see who will be the match number 12 winner between CSK and RR. And even the news is that Muttai Muralidharan has been admitted to hospital.
Yeah, I think he'll be back in Sunrise camp in 2 to 3 days.
Yeah. So we'll see how this goes. And so stay tuned to Cricket Analysis. Like, share, and subscribe.